QuickBooks makes it easy to manage sales by tracking information about all of your customers. You can view and edit information on existing customers and enter information on new customers in the Customer Center. To open the Customer Center, click Customer Center. You can see detailed information about each customer by clicking the customer's name in the customer list on the left. Click Brian Cook. All the information for the selected customer is displayed on the right. In the top pane, you'll see basic information such as contact details and the latest notes you've entered for that customer. In the bottom pane, you'll see all of the transactions you've had with this customer, the invoices that have gone out, and the payments that have been received. If you ever need to update a customer's information, you can click the Edit Customer Info button. The Customer Center allows you to view customers in a variety of ways. You can see all customers, active customers, and customers with open balances. There is also a custom filter for performing more detailed searches. Let's view only those customers who have an open balance with you by clicking on the View drop-down list and selecting Customers with Open Balances. You can also change the display so that only a particular type of transaction is shown. For instance, if you wanted to see only invoices from Brian Cook, you would click the Show drop-down arrow and select Invoices. You can then choose a specific date range for which you'd like transactions to be displayed via the Date field. Your transaction information can also be sorted by clicking on any of the column headers. To change the columns being displayed, right-click anywhere on the Transactions pane and select Customize Columns. Another option within the Customers and Jobs tab is to maximize the customer list. This allows you to view a wider range of information for each of the customers currently displayed in the list. To maximize the customer list, click on the Maximize icon. In this view, you can customize the columns you see by selecting Customize Columns from the View menu. The Customize Columns form has two lists. On the left are all the columns of information available for each customer, and on the right are the columns currently displayed in the customer list. You can use this form to add or remove columns from the chosen columns list, or to change the column order. You can also sort the information displayed by clicking on any of the column headers. To return to the original Customer Center view, click the Minimize button. To see a listing of all your customer transactions, click the Transactions tab. From here, you can view particular types of transactions using the Filter By and Date drop-down lists. For example, if you wanted to see all the invoices that have not yet been paid by your customers, you would click Invoices in the list of transactions and then click the Filter By drop-down arrow and select Open Invoices. In this view, you can see all of your open invoices in one location and identify those that are most overdue. When you're ready to set up a new customer or customer's job, you simply click the New Customer button. Click New Customer. That's it. You've learned how to use the Customer Center to manage information about your customers. To learn more about QuickBooks, go back to the Learning Center and select another tutorial from the list.